people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this Ewa Agoyin recipe. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. So this is my beans. I'll be using black eye beans. You can use honey beans, okay? So I will destoned it, washed it, added water, and I cooked it for 5 minutes. After cooking it for 5 minutes, I'll rinse it and I will continue cooking. So I'll add in onion, water, salt, and I'm gonna cover this to cook till it is very, very soft. So while the beans is cooking, let's go over to our pepper. Okay, I'll be using cayenne pepper. I'll add in hot water and I'm going to allow this to get softened. So I'll allow it for about 20 to 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I'm back to check on it and I drain the water. So you're not throwing away the water, we'll use the water to blend this pepper till it is either smooth or roughly blended a bit. So I'm gonna blend everything here with the pepper water. So I checked on the beans and this is how it is. I'll match the beans. Set this aside. In a dry pan, I'll be adding in my palm oil and I'll heat it up a bit and I'll add in my chopped onion. So we're gonna fry this till the onion turn brown color. Next, I'll be adding in my crayfish powder and I'll stir this. Next, I'll add in my pepper blend. So we're gonna be cooking this. Remember, you are cooking this on low heats to avoid it from burning. So we're gonna cook this till it changes color, and as you can see, the color is changing from bright red. Okay, so I'll add in my cow skin and I'll add in my seasoning powder. I'm gonna stir everything together to combine. Thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. Okay, thank you. And for those that are coming for the first time, you are welcome. Please don't make today your last. We have amazing recipe here. Okay, so you can see the color has changed and we'll cook this for a few minutes more and our Ewa Agoyin sauce is ready. So cover this and cook for a few minutes. Please remember to check on your sauce so it will not get burnt. This is how I served mine. You can serve it with yam, with potato, okay, and the taste was amazing. I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye-bye.